Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah. I'm a professional and qualified personal trainer and yoga instructor working in Southeast London. If you need to contact me to book a session or a motivational consultation, my details are below. Now, this is my second time filming this video because the last time my nipple kept falling out. So let us, adjust our clothing, make sure we're secure and get on with this video. So we're going to be doing the side plank 3 times, the boat pose, and then side plank on the other side. So we're going to go through all 3 versions while we're doing it, and then when you do the other side you can decide which one you're going to stick to or do all 3 again. So we want our knees to be in line with our hips in line with our shoulders. Elbow directly underneath your shoulder. We're going to take a nice inhale, exhale up, bring the hand onto the hip. If you want to extend it, take the arm up to the ceiling. Inhale and exhale down, bring that hand down with you. Next version, we're going to take the feet out, feet on top of each other. Again, inhale, exhale up, hand on the hip. If you want to push it, arm up to the ceiling, deep inhale and exhale down. Now another version, you could have your foot on the floor. So the foot that's on top, we're going to put on the floor. Again, inhale, exhale up, hand up if you want to, and exhale down. From there, we're going to go onto our bottom. I'm going to double the mat just because I have a really prominent coccyx. We're going to have our heels on the floor, arms in line with our shoulders, and lean back. Now that could be enough for some people if your core's really weak. But if you have slightly more strength there, on your exhale, we're going to lift the feet up. So deep inhale and exhale up. Hold it there. Feeling all of those muscles working. A few more seconds. Inhale, exhale back down. Now we're going to go on to the other side. So decide which plank you're going to go for. Feet behind, which is the easiest one. Both feet on top of each other, which is the hardest one. Or one foot in front. So I'm going to go for the medium version. I've been working out all day today. Okay, so we're going to repeat it 3 times. So find your position, or maybe do all 3 of them again. So getting in position, elbow underneath that shoulder. Everything is in line. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale down. Last one, inhale, exhale up. If you've been keeping your hands here for the last one, just try it, put it up there. And exhale down. Good. Back onto our bottoms. On our heels, nice straight back, arms in line with the shoulders. Leaning back, feel that abdominal wall contracting. Inhale, exhale, feet up, hold it there. Nice and strong, come on. 3, 2, deep inhale. Exhale, everything down. Excellent. Well done. Thank you for joining me on another quick yoga video. So hopefully you're not just going to finish there, you're going to repeat this at least another 3 times, because I guarantee you will feel it in your waist, you'll feel it at the top of your abs, the middle of the abs, the bottom of your abs. You're going to feel it everywhere. So at least repeat it 3 times, okay? So thank you again for joining me on my channel. If you haven't already, please just tap the like, just a little like, and then share the video, share, and subscribe, because when you're subscribing to my channel, you're subscribing to my heart. My real friends are looking at this like Sarah's a dickhead. Anyway, so yeah, like, share and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you again soon for another video. Take care, and well done for you for taking some time for you too.